Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to filter a repeating group in Bubble. So for example, I have a repeating group right here that goes ahead and gets the different users' names. It is searching for users and it is going to display their names in these text placeholders. So as you can see in this element, they're displaying the names. Now to go ahead and filter this, here under data source where you see search for users, just click on it and then you can add constraints. So let me go ahead and first show you what it currently looks like. I'll preview this one and I'll show you that we get 4 options because I have 4 users in my Bumble database. And then we'll come here, we'll add a constraint and we'll click on this. So what we want is we want to go ahead and filter the name. I'll click again. The name we want it to contain, let's say the letter O. Okay. And then I'll go ahead and just preview this again. So now we should get just 2 options right here. These 2 names have the letter O. So you can come back and change this further. You can add a new constraint on top of that, or you can just change the existing constraint that you have to go ahead and do your filtering. So you can go ahead and let it contain something specific. Let's say you can also make it equal to, let's say name equal to a specific role, for example, admin. You can do that as well, or anything else, or it does not contain. So I'll do a does not contain. We'll do A, and let's do a quick search again. We'll do a preview. And as you can see, these names do not contain the letter A. And that is how to filter a repeating group in Bubble.